Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. It is your girl Tamika. Hello gorgeous. Alright, so in today's video we are going to discuss some of the items that I eat as a vegetarian. So it's going to be like what I eat in a day, what I eat in a week. So I have been vegetarian since December 13th, I believe it was. So I've been taking a whole lot of pictures, okay, because I want to do this collage and share with you. So I hope in this video you will get a few ideas from my video, and that you will see that it is very quick and easy and very simple. I am not trying to complicate anything. Whatever that you have in your house, just make sure you are eliminating the meat, and then just eat your regular breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks, but just make sure that you are not consuming meat with it. Now, if you're a vegetarian like me, some of y'all might be eating some dairy. I eat dairy from time to time, but it's like more of like the ingredients contain dairy and eggs. But far as like me just eating eggs, no, I'm not going to do that because I don't want to eat any eggs. Eating food in its whole purest form, you are doing your body a great service. So do not feel bad at all that, you know, you can't create this big fancy meal, because not everybody's creating big fancy recipes. Just keep it simple, that way you can stay consistent, and later on you can do the fancy things. But right now, just keep it simple when you are in your beginning stages of whether you are a vegan, plant-based, or vegetarian. Alright, so let's go ahead and get into the breakfast. I'm going to start with breakfast, lunch, dinner, desserts, and a little bit of snacks. And then you also are going to see what I ate at a restaurant. So yes, you can go to the restaurant, so do not feel like you cannot hang out with your friends and then, you know, enjoy your meals. You just don't need to consume meat, okay? So let's go ahead and get started with the breakfast. Remember, keep it simple and add flavor with any type of seasonings and sauce, but just don't go too crazy. All right, so let's go ahead and get to the breakfast, okay? Kodiak waffles with the tangerine, maple syrup, cinnamon, maple. Yeah, I said maple syrup already. All right, so here I have regular pancakes, okay, with the bananas and my fruit peanut butter. Here I have my toast, tangerines. I have apples, cinnamon, vegan butter, and maple syrup. Next I have is my all-time favorite. I have to have my oatmeal. Oatmeal is so good. It's very filling, especially when you add fruit in it, but make sure you have a lot of that in your pantry. So now let's go ahead and jump right into the lunch. I have like a little zesty salad with my plant-based meat, all kinds of veggies. Next I have just something very simple. It looks like a biscuit with some noodles and a whole lot of veggies, and I have sauce on it. Next I just have some veggies and the noodles. I can't remember exactly the name, but yeah, I'll put it on the screen. So here's another little veggies with some toast and bananas and seeds. Then here is my all-time favorite. Girl, I love Subway, but sometimes you have to make it at home. So I made my own sub sandwich, veggie of course, with some french fries. Next I just have a simple salad. Sometimes you don't want to add a whole lot of stuff to it, but I did add more to it. So if you just like it simple like this, keep it like this. But if you want to add more, you can add more. I did add some nutritional yeast. Look like some rice is on here, cucumbers. So dress it up to your liking. Let's go ahead and get into the dinner. Dinner is also my favorite part, but breakfast I love the most. But let's get into dinner. Here I have some rice and I have tofu. I love air fried tofu. I add some sauce on it, add some greens, and it's so delicious. And I believe this is brown rice. Alright, here I have white rice with a whole lot of veggies and my sauce on here. I get the sauce from Walmart. I'll put a picture if I have it. Next I just have greens and pasta and some bread. You can have spaghetti but no meat. Here I have my tortillas. I love this because I have my plant-based meat on here by Gardein, and I put a whole lot of veggies and cilantro on it. So next I have is my fruit smoothie. This is banana and strawberry, and I added a little bit of greens powder in it. So girl, next is my favorite right here. It is the Wicked ice cream. I don't know what in the world was going on with this ice cream, but it just kept cracking every time I bit into it. But it's like raspberry swizzle on the inside. It is very good, but it's very high in calories. So now let's go ahead and get into the snacks. You can always snack on fruit. Fruit can be your dessert as well. So please make sure you keep that in mind. You can also snack on the cucumbers. You got mango. Ignore the plantains because I just want to share it with you. Next is my all-time favorite snack. It is my chips and salsa. When you go out to the restaurant, you can always ask for the sides, get your chips and salsa, and you will be full. When I go to Burger King, this is what I get. I get the Impossible Burger and get some fries. Now, in the next item, I went to a sushi type restaurant and I had some miso soup, and you can have the teriyaki, veggies, and rice. So that is the end of this video. I hope you got something out of it. Like I said, this is very quick, easy, simple meals that you can incorporate every single day. You do not have to make it complicated. And if you want to see more like this, please make sure you give this video a thumbs up and comment down below. Share with me some of your ideas. Or if you have more information about being vegan, plant-based, vegetarian, please drop it down below. I encourage healthy conversation and that we just encourage one another to stay on track. And I just thank you so much for watching my video, and I will talk to you next time. Goodbye, gorgeous.